Hi, my name's Julia.
And I'm Basia, and we've been working together for 7 years now at Artbox Workshops, and we're really excited about offering a beautiful, soulful goddess workshop.
This will be held on Friday the 18th of May, and all the information is on our website, so please have a look, and we look forward to supporting you in creating your personal goddess.
We really are, so we look forward to seeing you there.
Please visit our website. It's artboxworkshops.com.au.